Welcome back. The Nueces Delta Preserve serves as a nursery for a lot of species, including fish, shrimp, and crabs. One of the project managers there says that for the past 2 years, they've received no releases of fresh water from the city because of the drought.
And they tell 3 News that fact has greatly impacted the Delta. And today, our Michael Gibson toured the preserve with those scientists to give us a look at what's happening.
Here at the Nueces Delta Preserve, one of the first things you notice is how dry everything is. Also, there appears to be a lack of any wildlife. Walking the preserve with the scientists who are in charge of this place, they pointed out that since they haven't had any fresh water releases for the past couple of years, this Delta Preserve has really suffered.
We've got freshwater wetlands on the property, there's saltwater wetlands on the property, and then the Rincon Bayou, which is, sort of the purpose of today's trip.
Adrien Baxter is a project manager with the Coastal Bend Bays and Estuaries program. He's one of the scientists who showed us the effects of the salinity in this area doubling.
We're seeing salinities in the 40s. And so with salinities that high, we know that certain species flat out don't survive or won't reproduce nearly as effectively.
Adrien Hilmy is another project manager here and gave us 2 examples of animals who are in real trouble.
A really important species like shrimp and blue crab especially are very sensitive to these elevated salinities, so you're going to start to see those types of populations start to decrease.
And the reptiles aren't faring much better.
Oh, and we got a dead turtle or tortoise.
It turned out to be a red-eared slider. The only thing left of the large female reptile was her shell.
You said they really tolerate kind of salinities in the teens at most?
Yeah, they can tolerate it, but not for long periods of time. This is a freshwater turtle.
Yeah. While no one is sure why the turtle died, they do know it wasn't going to survive here very much longer. A place that is going to force freshwater animals like the turtles to either leave the Delta or end up dead in this salty environment. Michael Gibson, 3 News.